Here's how to use Geni to create a fun-filled fraction worksheet with golden retrievers in just a few seconds. Here's how to create that assignment using Geni. First, click Sign Up in the top right corner. Then hit Sign Up with Google and click on a Google account that works for you. After that, you'll be brought to the Geni class screen. You're going to want to click on one of the classes. Then you'll be brought to this screen where you can watch additional video walkthroughs or schedule a one-on-one meeting with us. But let's get to generation. There's a few different preset options you could choose from. You create a reading about a cat named Luna, you create a grammar worksheet about dragons and princesses, or you can just type something in and see what happens. We're going to go with golden retrievers fractions. Now the options are basically limitless. You can do golden retrievers with the water cycle, or with nouns, or even something about the Punic Wars with golden retrievers. However that will work. After 5 or 10 seconds, we will generate you a custom Geni assignment that will be around golden retrievers while still talking about fractions that your student or child needs to learn. Now you can see the assignment. By clicking on the left over here, we can look at it, and it's a golden retriever themed fractions worksheet. If a golden retriever eats 1/4 of its food in the morning, how much of the food is left for the rest of the day? I have no idea, but apparently the answer is 3/4. You can either edit the assignment here, the answer and the question, or the instruction as well in the top here. Now there are a few different ways that you could potentially have your child or student use this assignment. You could either save the image and then print out the worksheet physically and give it to them, or alternatively, you can also approve and publish this assignment, and every child in your Geni class will be able to use the assignment online. Now, how do you add students to your Geni class? Well, you're going to want to go to the People tab, click here, and invite students. You're going to want to type in a username for the student. That can be something like their actual name, or just something like, I don't know, Unicorn2, if you want to keep it perfectly anonymous. And then we're going to have a user named Unicorn2. For them to actually log in, they're going to use this password and this join code. We're going to see what that looks like now. There are 2 ways for a student to log into a Geni class. First, they can click Sign Up, and then sign in with their own Google account. Then, they would type in that join code for the Geni class that you saw at the bottom left corner of the teacher screen. After that, they click the plus icon, and then they would join the class. Then they would click on the class where they're enrolled as a student. It should have your name in the top corner. After that, they click on the assignment, click Go to the assignment, and then they'd start working on it. After they're done, they'd click Submit at the bottom. Now there's a second way for them to access it as well. If you add them through that add portion of the Geni People section, you would then type in the class code, and then you would type in the passcode that we gave you. In the case of Unicorn, that was 93B7. You would then access the assignment, and you'd be able to fill it out similarly, just like you did with the other account. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy using Geni.